Okay, after our last couple of videos, Scott had a thought on something that I thought was too important to pass up, so I wanted him to share.
So I'll just give an illustration of it first. When I was an elementary school teacher, our principal was talking to all of the teachers during a staff meeting because the teachers were getting very comfortable sending these aggressive or harsh emails to each other and to the administration. And he said that after you hit send, you can never unsend that message. And that kind of stuck with me associated with things that we say, that after it's said, there's no way to get it back. And in marriage, I think there's one thing that I have seen said that changes the marriage dramatically, and that's the word divorce. And so in the moment, we're passionate and upset. We're in the flesh. We are not seeking to please the Lord. We're just seeking to attack or hurt our spouse. And we're tempted to use that word, the D word, comes out of our mouths. And we've watched it do damage in relationships because it destroys a security. Mm-hmm. After the spouse has heard you say that, then it's almost hard for them to have the same confidence in their relationship that they've had before. And so I would say that's a word that should just never come out of people's mouths in marriage. And if you're listening to this and you're saying, well, I wish I'd heard this video, so many months or years ago because I have said this before, well, then I'd recommend as soon as possible to go to your spouse and ask for forgiveness and say, I know one time I said this, I didn't mean it, it was wrong. I'm very sorry, please forgive me. Or will you please forgive me? I should never have said this to you. I don't feel that way. I was acting in the flesh in that moment. I gave in to temptation. I sinned. Please forgive me. That's the furthest thing from my mind. I'm completely committed to this relationship. And the good news is if you haven't said that, then just ensure that you don't ever, because it can be an incredibly hurtful thing for a spouse that destroys their confidence in your commitment to the relationship.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good preaching. And so we want to hear from you guys. What is something that you know people say in marriage that should never be said? God bless.